03 4Runner V8. Looking at a rear main seal. Pull the transmission out, obviously. And the rear main seal sits in a cover plate. Where's that puppy? And behind the cover plate. So, here's your cover plate, okay? The seal sits inside there. Now, what we got is behind the cover plate. So when you're in there, that cover plate got an O-ring.
And it's got an O-ring because there's pressure behind that.
And that thing was so hard and brittle that it came out in like 9 different pieces.
Yeah.
So, and then that leaked down here onto the oil pan.
You should think it was a rear main seal.
Make you think it was a rear main seal. So if you do this, and you get in here, here's your rear main seal, and you don't pull this cover plate off, and you don't get this guy, you're gonna be pissed off. Because that was the real problem. So
They sold me a defective rear main seal.
yeah,
I want to sue Toyota.
well, make sure that spring don't pop off the rear main seal when you put it over the crankshaft.
Oh, I thought you said spring. Before you get a spring out.
That happened before too. That
Oh, yeah.
sucks too. So be ultra careful and put some lube on the seal when you put the cover plate on, and make sure it goes over straight and even.
Dura KY jelly.
Because I've had that happen, and that'll suck and ruin your freaking day for sure. Because the inside of these springs, or the inside of the seal, has got a metal spring that keeps tension on the crankshaft. And if you like twist and wobble that thing up over there, it can pop that spring off, and guess what's going to leak like mad? Worse than before you took it apart. That seal. So be really careful. Put some lube on that. Put it on nice and straight. So you don't have to take this 4-wheel drive system apart and the transfer case out.
But the good thing about it, not being it's like an LS, this one's got guide pins. So automatically centers the seal for you. And it still requires torque settings or torque specs to torque it down, but it's not as sensitive as your
Yeah, we got some guide pins here.
18 foot-pounds for an LS,
LS.
template.
You gotta put that cover and have a 20 thousandths.
Clear.
You gotta measure a 20 thousandths inch gap for the oil pan to set and seal properly, and cornball setup. But anyway, if you're behind one of these and you're doing that seal, take the extra time, pull that cover off, and replace that little rubber O-ring right there.
That
She'll
hardens
that
up,
thing
yeah.
was crusty and it just came out in broken pieces. So
I was surprised. This is the first one I've seen one like this with the O-ring was coming out so hard.
there you go, boys.